So, a very good morning, students. So, I am going to teach you today your chapter number 4, touch pain. Okay, chapter 4, touch pain. Already, we all have discussed. Okay, I taught you in your previous class also about touch pain. Okay, we all have done the lab in class 2 also, in class 3 also. Now, some advanced feature, because in one class you cannot understand everything now. So, now more tools about the touch pain. Okay, that we will discuss in this class. So firstly, let me introduce about touch pain. Then we will learn more things about touch pain. Okay. So now I am going to start the chapter. See, it is very much important for you because in this slide I will tell you about every tool. Okay, every tool because you have to use whenever you are drawing. You are using your make you attractive drawing. So you have to use every tool. So you should know about every tool very much properly and carefully. See this side is left and this is right side. Okay, this side all tools are present and this side all sub tools are present. Clear? Left side tools are present, right side sub tools are present, and these are the different colors. Okay, so many different colors are present which you want to draw. So start from the tools. First you can see this is paint tool. It is, you can see, already selected. You see now it is highlighted. Okay, because in the touch paint option is already selected. Means by default it already done by the software who have made this software. Next is stamp tool. For stamping, you know na stamp happened in your copy, school copies also I mark. Same, it is used to add more images in the drawing area. Stamp like this. Okay. Next is line. When you have to draw so many lines, you can use this tool. That this all you have studied in your previous class. Third also. Shapes, from this you can draw different shapes. Okay. Next is ABC. Suppose you want to type something, you want to write something, you can use this tool. Magic, so you know about magic tool because so many different magic tools you have studied in class third also. Like brick magic, blur magic, so many magic tools are there. Okay, you can draw so many magic subtools. When you will click on magic, so many subtools will be open on that side. Okay. Next is undo and redo. We will discuss it later. Next is eraser tool. It is used to erase anything. Okay. New, when you will click on new, okay, new option will be open. New file will be open for you. Open, you know, to open any program. Save when you want to save. And print, suppose you want to print out of that particular picture, so you can take with the help of printer. And quit means your work has been completed, you can quit, you can close it. And this side all the sub tools are open. Whenever you will open on tools, same sub tools will be open. Okay, the type of tools will be open, you can say. So it is clear enough. Figure of touch paint is very much important. Keep it in your mind. Okay, if you want to learn the touch paint in a good way. So here tools are given, here sub tools are given, so many tools and different tools have different sub tools are given. Okay, now I am going to teach you one by one all the tools. Okay, so next move to the next slide. See, okay, before this we have to know what is touch paint, why we are using touch paint. So touch paint is a free software you can easily download in your mobile phones, laptop, computer. Okay. It's a free software. Okay, we can add personalized step by step, okay, on our drawing once we finish it. Okay, suppose your work has been completed, your drawing, and you want to add more and more images, so you can add with the help of touch paint. Funny sounds you can also add are created there when we select any tool. Okay, you want to add some funny sound, so interesting sound related to your topic or anything which you want to add, you can add in the touch paint. Okay, a large variety of tools help the children to bring out their best creative design. Means from the touch paint, with the help of touch paint, you can make your best drawing. You can make a beautiful, colorful and attractive drawing. Okay, because you have already studied touch paint in your previous classes and you must have worked in lab also. So these things are given in the touch paint. It is a free software. We can add so many images to the drawing and we can make more effective, more colorful and more beautiful. Okay, these all things we will learn about the touch paint in shapes. The unique feature, means the special of shape tool is this, we can rotate it up to 360 degree. You know now 360 degree the whole like this. So we can rotate our picture in touchscreen with the help of shape tools up to 360 degree. How much? Up to 360 degree. Like you have studied the maths 90 degree, 80, 180 degree. So we can rotate it up to 360 degree. Means any direction we can rotate with the help of shape tool. It is used to help us to make different types of shapes. Okay. Now the next is very easy and you must know it also. Eraser tool. Same like paint you have also done, eraser and in a touchscreen also. Eraser tool is used to erase unwanted parts. Suppose this arrow is extra, I don't want to add it. So I can use and I will go and click on eraser tool. Okay? This will be erased by the help of eraser tool. Select eraser tool from the toolbox. This is very easy for you because you all have done lab, a lot of times you have used this eraser tool. You are using eraser tool whenever you are writing wrong in your notebook, in your copies, books also. So same way in the computer, whenever we are drawing any line, anything which is unwanted, which is extra, which we want to erase, so we can use the eraser tool to erase anything. Okay? Now the next topic. Good. New tool. Suppose every time you cannot work in one copy now, that copy will be filled one day or not. Same way in the computer also. Every time you will not work in a single file. Okay? So we cannot work in a single file forever. We always need a new page. Like in your copy page has it, so you need a new page. Same way we always need different drawing. We need different new tool from the toolbox. Okay? I have already shown you new tool option. So whenever from here you have to choose new, see. So maybe new colors are open for you. So from this tool, whenever we have to draw the new things, we have to draw the new files, new drawings, we can use the new tool. From the new tool, we can draw the new things, new file. Okay? So new tool we can get from the toolbox. Here it is written. You can click on it and it will be open in front of you. Okay? So from the new tool we can draw new things, new drawing, new file. Now the next is drip magic and edges effect. What is drip magic and what is edges effect? Okay, drip magic. It is very interesting. Okay? Why? Because can you tell me if you draw anything in your drawing page, okay, if you draw any flower, anything in your drawing page, or have you written anything, any one time stick, put a water on it, what will happen then? Are you understood me? I am saying that if you are drawing anything on your paper and anyone can put water on it, what will happen? It all will look so dirty and smashed, not look so good. Same way with the help of drip magic sub tool gives, it is a part of magic tool. That's why I am telling it as a sub tool, not tool. Okay, just mind it. Tools are different and sub tool are the part of tools. So it is a part of magic tool. Drip magic gives a dripping effect to our drawing. See, like this has drawing and put the water, or you can say use the drip magic from the magic tool. And see, the drawing is smashed. It not look so good. It not look so clear. Same way, when we are writing in the copy, even put the water, it all things are spreaded. In the same way, drip magic tool, sometimes we need to spread the thing in like this dripping effect. So we can use the drip magic. From the magic tool, we have to click here. Here is a drip magic, and you can see this effect will be happen. Your drawing will be smashed. It looks not so clear. Okay. Now the next is edges effect. It is very easy. It is very unique feature in touchscreen. Okay, it is a new feature, different feature. Unique means it is a totally different from others. Okay, so we can differentiate the edges formed and already drawn image. Okay, means we can draw of touch paint, and we can, after drawing, we can differentiate the different parts. Like this, from this we have cut this part. Okay, so we can differentiate into different parts. Okay, edge effect is used to draw the and color the things, and it is a unique feature. Means it is not present in paint. It is a unique feature of touch paint. Okay, so in this class we have discussed about what is touch paint. Okay, and you know also how to open. Go and start all program. Okay, touch paint and touch paint full history. Okay, and then we have discussed about the figure of touch paint. I have shown you figure of touch paint. Okay, and then we have discussed about the so many different things. Okay, okay, new tool and shapes tool, eraser tool, touch paint is a free software, and figure of touch paint. See, magic tool is there, ABC text, line tool. These all things I have already told you. So just revise it. I am going to revise in a quick way. Let's start chapter 4. I have already told you figure, paint, stamp, lines, shape. Already told you to draw different shapes. Okay, magic tool, trip magic is there, sub tool. We can write something from text tool, eraser tool. I told you to erase anything. It is a quick way, na, because I have already explained you chapter few topics. Okay, eraser tool, open, print. These all, and these are the different types of sub toolbox, and so many different brushes are also given to draw the drawing. Okay, then we have discussed about the touch paint is a free software. We can add more and more images to our drawing. Okay, and we can add some funny sound also. Then we have discussed about the shape tool. It is used to draw so many different shapes, and we can rotate up to 360-degree angle. Okay, and eraser tool, it is very easy. If you want to erase anything, you can use. Okay, then we have discussed new tool.